Hello YouTube, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to regenerate the IC-Info.sisv file. As you can see, this is a broke ramdisk zip file containing all the files except one file, which is the IC-Info.sisv file. I opened the folder to show you. The IC-Info.sisv file is missing. To solve this, go back to the zip file, copy one onto the desktop. Once you've done this, install PDisk Editor Pro, which I already installed as you can see here. Then after which, right click number one and rename the file with .plist. Think after this, double click to open, go to list view, go to pair play key data, copy this bunch of text, except the begin container and end container, don't copy. Just click to copy. Then after which, go to the online tools by GitHub, decode base64 to file. Just paste everything you copied. Then you rename this as IC-Info.sisv. Then click download to generate the file. After which, open the downloads folder. Go back to your program disk, backup zip, go to Fair Play, iTunes Control, iTunes. Then copy paste your IC-Info.sisv file you generated. And you're done. That's all for this short tutorial video. Please do like, share and comment on my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.